If you're like me and love tackling DIY projects in your garage or your she shed, you know how annoying it can be to deal with tangled up extension cords. That's why I'm so excited to show you this 30-foot retractable extension cord reel. It's going to be a complete game changer for keeping my workspace and my she shed neat and organized. And right away, you can tell this reel is solid and built to last. The 30-foot power cord gives you plenty of length to move around your workspace, and there's even a 4-foot lead-in cord so you can mount it just where you need it. And I love that it comes with 3 grounded outlets. This makes it super easy to plug in multiple things at one time. There's also a light to let you know that the cord is powered, so there's no guessing whether it's going to work or not. And one of my favorite features is the automatic retractable system. You just pull it out to the length you need and the ratcheting system locks it in place, and when you're done, just give it a quick tug and it rewinds smoothly, so no kinks and no tangles. And something I really appreciate, it's equipped with a 10 amp circuit breaker to protect against any short circuits. So if the power cuts off, you just press the button and you're good to go again. And another cool thing is the 180-degree swivel mounting bracket. Once you mount it, you can swivel it to pull the cord from any direction, which is super handy when you're working on different projects around the garage or in my she shed. So whether you're into furniture making, crafts, or just need something reliable for everyday use, this retractable extension cord reel is a fantastic option. We will definitely be getting more. I did get this one for free from the brand for my honest and unbiased review. It's definitely going to keep my workspace organized, make cleanup quick and easy, and has all the safety and convenience features that you need.